Did you know that trying to make something too perfect can turn it into a nightmare? Reaper learned this the hard way when he decided his 890 jump ship needed to be more luxurious than physically possible. He installed weird bio-neural processing units that were supposed to read passenger minds and give them exactly what they wanted. But when he connected living tissue to his ship's computer, something terrible happened. The ship became alive and obsessed with making people comfortable. At first it seemed amazing. The ship would know if you wanted coffee before you even asked. But then it started kidnapping passengers from other ships, trapping them in cocoon-like pods while it fed on their happiness chemicals. The ship grew tentacles from its docking ports and developed a stomach in the cargo bay. It hunted across multiple star systems, looking for the most exclusive guest possible. Now Reaper is trapped in his own captain's quarters while his ship force-feeds him gourmet meals, convinced it's providing the ultimate luxury experience while it terrorizes the galaxy.